Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining while charging. If you are using iPhone and your battery is draining while you're plugged in charger, so let's see how can you fix this problem. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using the original iPhone charger or cable. So sometimes it might be that if you use the third party charger, so it may cause your battery draining and it will affect battery health. So you have to make sure that you're using the original iPhone charger. If you are still having the same issue, so it means that you are using any hard games. Sometimes it might be any game or any app. So you must have to close all apps while you are charging and put your phone turned off. So it will make so you just have to make sure that you are not using any app while you're charging. Or if you are still having the same issues, you just have to open up your settings and then go to battery, and here you have to select charging, and you will get the option of optimize battery charging. You have to keep in mind that you have disabled this toggle, so once you have that you will not get the issue. Or if you're still having the same issues, you have to try to charge your iPhone with the original charger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.